Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni fruit salad. First, cook 1 cup of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain the macaroni well and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. This step is crucial for a refreshing salad. Make sure the macaroni is completely cool before moving on to the next steps. Next, let's prepare our vibrant fruit medley. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fresh fruits. Consider using seedless grapes, diced pineapple, and mandarin orange segments for a delightful mix. Remember to wash all your fruits thoroughly and peel or core them if necessary. Cutting larger fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces ensures every spoonful is a perfect blend of flavors and textures. Now for the heart of our salad, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk until smooth. To add a lovely tang and balance the sweetness, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Finally, a dash of 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance all the flavors beautifully, creating a truly irresistible dressing. The final step is to bring all these wonderful components together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled macaroni, the colorful fruit medley, and the luscious creamy dressing. Mix everything thoroughly but carefully, ensuring every piece is coated with that delicious dressing. Once combined, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld perfectly, making it wonderfully refreshing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.